Now to the rest of Africa, voting has formally ended in Malawi's general election in a poll that will decide the country's leadership for the next 5 years. Counting is now underway. Citizens are electing councillors, members of parliament, and a president, a process seen as vital to shaping Malawi's political and economic future. The election comes at well, I'm being told now that we have our News Central correspondent, Bongani Sisiba, who is live in Malawi. Let's cross over to her now. Bongani, good evening. Tell us what the latest is there in Malawi.
Good evening once again, Mazino. It's been a very long and tiring day, but we're still here. Now I'm at the polling station. Voting closed at 4 p.m. and counting started immediately. If I could move out of the shot so that my colleagues Bonelo Mkasibe can show you the vote counting is ongoing. As you can see, the agents here, polling agents and also party agents here, just counting and tallying those votes. But I can say that earlier on we spoke to the COMESA, that is the head of COMESA election, who spoke to us about their observations, the voting process, how it was conducted. He said that, in his words, that it was transparent and peaceful. No violence has been recorded, and even us, when we were going around at the polling stations, we didn't see any violence. People were voting. Everything was going according to MEC plans, that is the Malawi Electoral Commission plans. There was no violence, but the Malawian citizens today voted for improved livelihoods, a better economy, and as the results being counted and as they wait for the announcement of these results, it's clear that Malawians are hoping for a better future. If I could just give you the context, I was speaking to Malawians earlier this afternoon. I heard that a civil servant in Malawi, that is a graduate, is paid around 300,000 Malawi kwacha, which is about $100. Then you look at the cost of living. Bread is around 3,000. And also I asked for roll-on in one shop. It was going for around 9,000. So if you for around 2,000 rather. If you now calculate the money that a civil servant is being paid in Malawi, and also you see how things are expensive in the shops, Malawians are living a life that some of them say that they have had enough. So today, when they went to the polls, that's what they said they are voting for a better life, for a better economy, and a better future for their children. So as we wait for the results, after this, these results will be sent to the tally center, where the Malawi Electoral Commission will then tally those votes. We understand that it will take up to 8 days for the announcement of the result. So it's within the 8 days. So which means they can announce before the 8 days or within the 8 days. So we wait and see what happens. Malawians are waiting for the results for what they voted for today, and we are here. The counting rather has begun. So from tomorrow, I think we'll have a clear picture of what's going on, Mazino.
Bongani Sisiba will continue to come back to you for more detail about what's happening there.